So I was not planning on vlogging this morning. I was going to do my job and my role here to get B-roll for Mr. Thomas Heaton, but it's just so good. The light really popped, and I was even able to get a couple photographs, which is great, and tons of time lapse and some really good shots. So I guess let's start a vlog. Why not?
Right, yeah. So we're professionals, right?
Oh, you're a professional.
Well,
I'm trying.
We are. Were we professional this morning?
Oh, we were running around
I
like
was a
chickens
professional.
with our heads cut off.
I was like, guys, you gotta stay calm, the light's gonna happen, know your subject, get your shot, and then boom! This! We shot like 100 images.
Amazing though, the light here in Patagonia just really popped for us this morning. So.
Yeah, and it was really bizarre because I assumed that here we had one subject, one composition. Not the case, we had like 5-6 different compositions. Amazing. We could have shot, and it was great. And I think everyone was so excited.
Fantastic. So for now, it's back to El CHALTEN. It's about 9 in the morning, so we're gonna set up and do some editing, maybe get some coffee.
Definitely coffee.
Yeah, and get caught up on the last few days of work, and then again we're gonna shoot sunset this evening at a waterfall.
Yes, waterfall.
Right on.
Right, right, perfect.
All right,
let's go.
Sorry about the wind again, but this is my photography setup here. I'm shooting with the 5D Mark III and the 7200 leaf filters on the front with the foundation kit and the 0.6 stop ND filter, soft grad, and got some incredible time lapse with Magic Lantern of that like pano sort of ridgeline in the background, and just the light absolutely pops. So super happy with that. But now it's died down. It's kind of got like a light blue all over. So I think we're probably gonna head back into town. And today is an editing day. It is all about getting caught up on the last 4 days of the Patagonia workshop. And we're back. That was a very successful sunrise shoot here in El CHALTEN. And now it's time to get some editing in. Brendan and Thomas are going to do one-on-one sessions with the participants in a couple hours, which gives me time to get caught up on these videos and edit some of the photos. Still a little bit windy, but looking like it could potentially be a nice sunset as well.
Part of this workshop is the one-on-one sessions with Brendan and Tom, and during these sessions they just critique your photos and give you some advice on what happens and how to fix it or make it better and what to do further into the workshop so you don't mess anything up. After getting the one-on-one with Brendan today, he helped my images because he told me about not taking snapshots, kind of like plan out your images more and get a more composed single image instead of 100 random images.
Good afternoon. We are back out in nature and headed towards Chorillo del Salto, which is a local waterfall here just outside of CHALTEN. And the group is in really good spirits. We had a pretty chill day today, like kind of in the middle of the day, which is normal for photographers when you're chasing sunrise and sunset. So that was nice. We had a lot of time to catch up on edits. Sorry, a little wobbly. And do some one-on-ones with Thomas Heaton and Brendan Vanson, which I think were really beneficial for everyone. And everybody's here to learn, sorry about the wind, and improve. And they're already such talented and good photographers that it's awesome to see everyone come together and support one another to get those great images. And I've already heard of people wanting to print them, put them up in their houses, or possibly even sell them. So very, very cool. Good on you guys if you're watching this video. So it is about an hour before sunset. It's overcast. I don't think we're gonna get very good light, but walking through this forest is amazing. And the fall colors are really popping. So time to get some foliage photos and Patagonia autumn colors. What do you think?
It looks great.
Just gonna take a moment to step away from the river here, get out of the wind. It is definitely time to say welcome. Welcome to all the new subscribers. It is awesome that you have found my YouTube channel. I know that there is a lot of competition in this space, and it's not that necessarily that I'm making not the best videos, but just not being able to get it out there and spread the word. So this Patagonia workshop, I hope, has done that to a certain extent. Here on the channel, we do a lot of travel videography and photography. I live completely nomadic and I love it. So this is very much like a vlog style. It's not necessarily like a tutorial studio type channel, but much more of join the adventure and see where we go. So now that we're part of this community, comment, tell me who you are, where you're from, what camera do you shoot with, what places do you love to travel to. You know, let's share the adventure together and really, like, this is what it's all about. It's about growing a network and collaborating and sharing and documenting our travels and just throwing it out there. So welcome, it's awesome to have you on board. And this is Patagonia, so let's go explore more. And to those of you who have been subscribers for a long time, you're awesome, you know who you are. Thank you so much for watching. It's awesome to have your continued support. How many more times can I say awesome in one freaking sentence? Okay, let's go. I'm blabbering on. Time to explore more of Patagonia.
Have you seen Thomas Heaton?
I have not seen Thomas Heaton, but I'm sure he's somewhere.
I don't think he is. I think he's been eaten.
So we are back from Chorillo Falls. It was an amazing evening and sunset shoot. Got the three guys here. The group has had a free night to go out and have dinner and whatever. And what did we get for dinner?
Che empanada.
So good. We even got guanaco empanadas, which I have never had before. I think they're gonna be delicious. How many times have you had empanadas?
This is my first empanada experience. I'm an empa virgin.
Yes. Awesome. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we will definitely see you on the next one because it's all going to be here in El CHALTEN, Patagonia. Peace.
What happened is there was just 2 male and 2 female giant woodpeckers, which I've never seen before. I've seen them way in the distance. We were walking up to them to try to photograph them, and then one just swooped right in front of us and landed on the tree right in front of us.